you want to know about the best TikTok alternative? This video is for you. Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about the best TikTok alternative. The first is rednote, the second is Lemon8, the third is Instagram Reels, the fourth is Snapchat Spotlight, and the fifth is YouTube Shorts. These are apps that can be used as an alternative for TikTok. It allows you to share your content, it allows you to share your photos and of any. The first one here is rednote, also known as Show, is a Chinese social media app that combines user-generated content with e-commerce. It is often used to share lifestyle content such as travel recommendations, skincare tips, and fitness hook. The second one is Lemon8, is a social media app that allows users to share and discover visually appealing content. It is owned by ByteDance, the same company that owns TikTok. This app still have the same feature like TikTok. It allows you to still upload your content of different types, your video, your photo, and also allows you to watch other people's content and give your own response or reactions to people content as you wish. The fourth one is Instagram Reels, are short form videos that users can create, edit, and share on Instagram. They are a popular way for users to connect with their community and for brands and creators to reach a wider audience. This can also be used by Instagram account owners and also people that don't have own Instagram accounts, as long as you can have access to Instagram. The fifth is YouTube Short. Is a feature on YouTube that allows users to create and share short-form vertical videos. Short are usually under 60 seconds long and have ratio of 9:16 aspect ratio. This short contains different videos with different features that we still have on our TikTok. It has similar feature of TikTok and can still be viewed worldwide. So I believe with this you now know the 5 best TikTok alternative. So if yes, I hope you'll be at the end of this video, you'll like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.